Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Kinetic Sand Beach Sand Kingdom playset is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys for children, offering a unique sensory experience that mimics real beach sand but with the added benefit of being moldable and mess-free, making it an ideal choice for indoor play that sparks creativity and imagination while providing hours of entertainment for kids of all ages. Number 5. Kinetic Sand Folding Sandbox Set. Experience the magic of the one and only kinetic sand. Made from natural sand, it's reusable, never dries out, and cleans up with ease. It's perfect for all your creative play needs. Unleash creativity with over 20 ways to play. This set comes with 7 tools and molds, giving kids everything they need to build amazing sandcastles. Keep playtime tidy with the folding sandbox. It opens to reveal a contained play area, and closes up easily for quick storage when you're done. This toy is designed to boost creative and sensory skills. It allows children to bring any imaginative idea to life, making it a great addition to any sensory bin. Crafted from natural sand, it's wonderfully reusable and never dries out. The magical sticking properties ensure easy cleanup after every play session. This set includes 2 pounds of sand, 5 molds, and 2 tools, all within the convenient folding sandbox. It's ready for hours of imaginative fun right out of the box. What we like? This set offers a contained play area and easy cleanup thanks to its reusable sandbox. If you are looking for a way to keep playtime tidy and storage simple, this is a great choice. It's perfect for younger children or those who tend to make a mess. What people say. The Sand Kingdom playset is a great gift for kids. It comes with 6 molds and 2 tools. The kinetic sand is easy to clean up and doesn't make a mess. Number 4. Kinetic Sand Mermaid Palace Set. Dive into a magical world with this all-in-one set. It has everything you need to build a shimmering mermaid kingdom right at home. Explore 3 unique sensory sand textures: beach, neon purple, and shimmer teal. Mix them to create new colors or layer them for stunning effects. Feel the sand flow through your fingers as you use the 7 mermaid-themed tools and molds. Transform the sand into an enchanting underwater realm. Create magnificent sandcastles within the included folding sandbox. It keeps playtime contained and folds up easily for storage when not in use. Made from natural sand, it's the only sand that never dries out and sticks together for effortless cleanup. Enjoy endless creative play. This set comes with 2.06 pounds of sand in various types, a reusable sandbox, a shell scoop, 6 molds, and a scene punch-out for added fun. What we like? This set comes with shimmering and colored sand, perfect for creating a magical mermaid kingdom. If you love fantasy themes and want a visually stunning sand experience, this is the one for you. It's ideal for kids who enjoy imaginative play and creating colorful, enchanting scenes. What people say. The Sand Kingdom playset includes 6 molds and 3 tools for creative play. The kinetic sand is easy to mold and shape, making it great for building. This playset provides hours of entertainment for children. Number 3. Kinetic Sand Deluxe Beach Castle Playset. Introducing the Kinetic Sand Deluxe Beach Castle Playset. It's the perfect way to bring the beach to your playroom, offering endless hours of creative fun. Experience the one and only kinetic sand. Made from natural sand, it never dries out and sticks together for effortless cleanup, making it ideal for all your creative endeavors. With 2.5 pounds of sand and 9 versatile tools, you can build and squish to craft walls, bridges, and towers. Let your imagination run wild as you create magnificent sandcastles. The included tray with a lid provides a dedicated play space and doubles as a convenient storage solution. Keep everything tidy and ready for your next sand art adventure. This set provides everything needed to build the sandcastles of your dreams, again and again. It's the ultimate tool for sparking creativity and imaginative play. Looking for an alternative to slime kits or other fidget toys? This is an exciting building toy that encourages arts and crafts, perfect for young creators. What we like? With more sand and a greater variety of tools, this set offers extensive building possibilities. If you are looking for a comprehensive sandcastle building experience with plenty of accessories, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for older children who enjoy detailed construction and creative sand art. What people say. The sand is soft and easy to mold, making it great for building sandcastles and other creations. The playset comes with a variety of molds and tools, which adds to the fun and creativity. It's a good way to keep kids entertained for hours, both indoors and outdoors. Number 2. Play Sand Craft Kit Set. Discover a world of color with 5 vibrant hues of play sand. It's perfect for mixing, molding, and creating endless shapes, bringing sensory play to life. Enjoy hours of creative play without the mess. This innovative sand is designed for easy cleanup, making playtime hassle-free for everyone. Your child's safety is our priority. This sand is made from non-toxic materials, is BPA, lead, and phthalate-free, and has no scent. This set is wonderful for soothing and engaging young minds, especially those with sensory needs. It encourages hands-on creativity and develops fine motor skills. Looking for a great gift? This set is loved by children and makes an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. It's so much fun, you'll want to get more. What we like? This set features 5 vibrant colors of sand that are mess-free and scent-free, making it a safe and engaging sensory experience. If you prioritize a clean play environment and want to introduce children to a variety of colors, this is a fantastic choice. It's great for children with sensory needs or those who enjoy colorful, tactile play. What people say? The sand is soft and easy to mold, making it great for creative play. The playset comes with a variety of molds and tools that add to the fun. It's a good size for indoor play and doesn't make too much of a mess. Number 1. GirlZone Mermaid Sensory Sand Kit. Ignite your child's imagination with our moldable Kinetic sand kit. It's a fun, screen-free way to play with soft, squeezable sand, perfect for ages 3 and up. This amazing set comes with everything needed for magical mermaid adventures. It includes tools, sparkly gems, glitter, and a mat, making it a perfect gift for any child. Experience the joy of playing with sand that sticks to itself and never dries out. It's perfect for sculpting enchanting shapes and castles, igniting creativity. This magical sand kit is great for role-playing games. It helps improve hand-eye coordination and strengthens fine motor skills, offering endless imaginative possibilities. This mermaid sand makes an awesome toy for playdates and a fun gift idea. It ensures hours of creative entertainment and imaginative fun for everyone. What we like? This kit includes a portable treasure chest, gems, and glitter, all with a fun mermaid theme. If you're looking for a gift that's both entertaining and portable, this is a wonderful option. It's perfect for playdates, parties, or any child who loves mermaids and sparkly treasures. What people say? The sand is soft and easy to mold, making it great for little hands. The playset comes with a variety of molds and tools, which adds to the fun and creativity. It's a good size for indoor play and doesn't make too much of a mess. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.